Decluttering your life can do wonders for your wallet and your peace of mind. Here's how to embrace minimalism in just 30 days. Minimalism is about focusing on what truly matters by removing the excess. This 30-day challenge will help you simplify your life, save money, and feel more in control. It's not just about getting rid of things. It's about making space for what matters most. Let's get started. Start small by tackling one area per day, like your closet, kitchen, or digital files. The goal is to let go of items you don't use or love. Donate, recycle, or sell them. For example, you might start by cleaning out a single drawer or a shelf. By the end of 30 days, you'll feel lighter and more organized. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Taking even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Whenever you buy something new, commit to letting go of an old item. For instance, if you buy a new shirt, donate one you no longer wear. This simple practice prevents clutter from creeping back in and helps you make more intentional purchases. You'll be surprised how much this habit can shift your mindset toward quality over quantity. Focus on versatile, high-quality pieces that you can mix and match. A capsule wardrobe saves time, space, and money while keeping your style on point. Imagine having only items you love and wear regularly. It's a game changer. Start by choosing a neutral color palette and adding a few statement pieces for variety. Fewer choices mean less stress and more confidence in your daily life. Shift your spending toward experiences rather than material items. Think about what truly brings joy and meaning to your life. A dinner with friends, a hike in nature, or a weekend getaway often creates lasting memories that a gadget never could. By prioritizing experiences, you're not only simplifying, but also enriching your life in a way that aligns with your values. Ready to take the challenge? Start today and let me know your progress in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more ways to simplify and enrich your life. Together, we can make minimalism a movement that transforms not just your space, but your entire way of living.